This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in this short and simple video I will quickly show how to find a tutorial for this drone. So first you will need to take your phone, launch the HOVERAir X1 app and go into the hover section. Now make sure that your drone is connected so it will show you proper tutorials for your exact drone model. But I'd assume that if you are watching this video, most probably you have the same HOVERAir X1 Pro. Anyway, once in the hover section and the drone is connected to the smartphone, you'll see that at the top right corner of the display, the tutorial button is available. So now select what model you would like to see the tutorial for and go from here. So now you can access VIP user services. You can undergo the text and image tutorial, as well as a video tutorial. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.